Hi guys, I'm back with another topic today, and I hope you all remember that I have taught you the first topic that how to create companies in Tally, and I hope so that you it was very helpful for you all. So once again, I have come back with another topic today that I'll show you how to create ledger in Tally. The ledger by which we can take our journal entries. So first of all, I'll teach you how to prepare or create ledger in Tally. So as a same step, you can have to go to a Tally by clicking on a Tally. You can come to the gateway of Tally. As I've previously said to you, already told you of I'm working in education mode because I'm not having a general license, because just for the practice I'm teaching you all. So I'm working in education mode. So it's the same process. My existing company is already open, so I have to shut down. I have to select one new company which I have already made for you all previously. I hope it was there. Laptop Infotech, it's there. This was the company I have made previously. I hope you all remember this. So today we are going to learn that I'll teach you how to create ledger in Tally, and I hope everybody knows that what is ledger in accounts. So I don't have to explain all this. So I'm just going in the process of creating ledger. So what you have to do, first you have to go in the options. You can see this is a gateway of Tally. See, this is a written gateway of Tally here, just on the right side, and you can see the options. In master options is the account info, so you can click on account info. Then you can find the certain options are there, several options are there, like group ledgers, scenarios, watcher types, equipped. So you have to select here ledger because you're going to create ledgers. This single ledger, what's the difference between single ledger and multiple ledgers? So single ledger means you are going to create ledger one by one. After one, you have to go again in the create ledger, then you can create another ledger. And as per multiple ledgers, you can create 10, 20, 50, means several ledgers at one time only, in one shot only. So if you know that how many ledger you have to create at a time, then you can select multiple ledgers. But if you don't know, if you have to create ledger by time to time, day by day, when the requirements will come, then you can create ledger in a single ledger mode. So suppose I don't know how many ledger will be created in all the financial years or past 6 months or before, like future 6 months, how many ledger will be created. So at now I know only I have to create 1 or 2 ledger or 3 ledgers. So I can go for the single ledger creations. So in single ledger creation, you have to choose option create. This is a ledger screen has opened. So let's take an example that I'm making a ledger of bank account. So my bank account is in SBI. So I'm making a ledger of SBI, State Bank of India. No, under. What's the meaning of under? Under means we all know that we take each and every posting in heads. So there's a heads, everyone know, I hope everyone knows that there's a heads in accounts, for example, you can take it current asset, current liabilities, direct expenses. You can take in PL account that we take all the direct expenses, indirect expenses. Then balance sheet we take current asset, current liabilities, fixed assets are there. Then closing stock. Then investments are there, loans and advances are there, then deposits are there, the stock in hand, secured loan, unsecured loan, many things are there. So likewise, under means the head. So State Bank of India, what is it? It is a ledger of heads of bank account. So I'm taking in a bank account. He is asking my account number, so I can give my detail. Bank account, IFSC code. IFSC code is this. Bank name not applicable, or I can take applicable also, but I don't want to disclose my bank name because it's already given in ledger name. Branch. This you don't require to give all this. Then address, if you wish to give, then you can give of a bank address, West Bengal. GST number of the bank, if you knows, you can give the GST number of the bank, and if you don't know, then you can see it's giving slash also UIN number, means unique identifications number. The all the companies or bank, financial institutions or professional institutions has this number, and without this number they can't run the companies or bank or any institutions which comes under the government sectors or non-government sectors, but they all have to register under the Companies Act, and you will get this number, unique identifications number. Well, I can go and accept now. Accept yes. Use option yes. Fine. I can see this ledger. I can check this ledger. It's got created or not. So go to the ledger. Again I'm showing you. You can go again the same step, account info, ledger. That time it was, we have selected the option create. Now we'll select the option display to see the ledger. Yeah, cash and profit and loss account is existing. It's already there. We don't have to create again, but another ledger we have to create. So I have created State Bank of India first ledger, so I can see display. Yeah, I can click, I can enter, I can see, yeah, my ledger is created. Oh, fine. My ledger is State Bank of India. It's come under bank account, current asset. Okay, here is current asset. Okay, fine. And account holder name is laptop here. Okay, fine. So this is how we can create ledger. Now I'm showing you another ledger. You can check it out with the another ledger. So I'm showing the second ledger I'm making. So let's take a ledger. Again the same step. Account info, then ledger, then again create. Here I'm making the name of the party, means sundry creator or data. So suppose I'm purchasing the goods from China, and the company name is China Importers. So I have to make the ledger to do the general entry, as I've said previously, because ledger is created to pass journal entries. So I'm making that company's name ledger, China Exporter. China Exporter. It will come under. So China Exporter will be what for my company? It will be I will be purchasing the goods from this China Exporter from China. So it will be sundry creditors for me, because I am liable